Welcome to another day of hiking, and we're going to see some cacti. This is Dennis.
Yep, that's me, alright.
Hi. Say hi to the camera, Dad.
Hi, I'm driving.
Yeah, this is my dad. He's the driver. Mom, say hi to the camera. Mom, say hi.
Hi, camera.
Okay, so we arrived at the place.
All right, today we out bird watching. We are doing socially distant, responsible activity outdoors. So we are gonna do some bird watching. I'm gonna put a long lens on and see if we can see any birds. We're also by the airport, so we may see some big metal birds too. Everyone got their cameras with them, so we're gonna try to take lots of pictures and see what we can see.
Okay, so now we're getting onto this trail, Jamaica Bay Wildlife Refuge. And we've never been on it actually. Pretty interested to see what we'll find. Let's see. We actually found some birches over here.
There are lots of birch trees.
Yeah, there are a lot of birch trees over here. Yeah, and we also found some birch bark somewhere back there. Did I ever mention that the whole reason we're out here is social distancing due to the coronavirus? It's hard to believe. Okay, this actually looks kind of like a mini swamp for some reason. Thought this was a nature hike, not a swamp hike. Seriously? Okay, moving on. Fun nature fact number 1. Birch bark, and probably the tree when it's all dry, burns really easily. So it's like the best thing for firewood. And this is like a birch forest. How about, okay, question for your viewers. Comment down in the trying to guess what kind of tree can get confused with the birch.
So we made it to some kind of, I don't know what this is called. This is a salt marsh. I think salt marsh is the more proper name. So this is where we should be able to see like all kinds of birds. This is a very popular place for migrating birds to stop in their path of migration and rest. So let me put a long lens on and see if I can zoom into some of them.
Our first destination on this whole nature hike is, whoa, check out this giant ocean looking like pond. It's giant. Wow, never knew that we would find this. Awesome. Oh, you see that white over there? That's the swan. And what's really interesting about swans, which is nature fun fact number 2,
Oh, there's a swan over there.
swans look like the number 2 in math. Really interesting, right? Oh, and did I also forget to mention, this shore is all seashells. Totally insane. Okay, so, well, after this beautiful view, let's celebrate with some snacks. Not a bad idea, actually. I think that it's time to move on because I think we're done eating for right now. Yeah, let's get going. Seriously? Why is there mud there?
And there's mud here. There's
Rats.
mud everywhere.
There's mud all over the place here.
Okay.
Jeez, what's going on here? I thought that this should be peaceful.
I'm
for better bird watching, they have these blinds that are set up in a few places so birds don't actually see you, and you could like sneak up on them and take pictures and videos. Let's go see if we can get that.
We reached our destination number 2, this funky little contraption, but it may look really odd. But check out the view. Whoa, that's a really good view. And there are actually multiple swans. Nice. Love it. There are multiple swans there, but like probably there's like a random duck somewhere. Somewhere. To me, it doesn't exactly matter. I'm not really into bird watching. Not exactly into bird watching. In nature, there is nothing like a bird singing. Nature's music is bird singing. Love it. And my mom had to practically force us to do this, but so turns out it's not as bad at all, actually.
I'm gonna have to delete it.
Is there anything there?
No, just a little pond.
Oh, this is a fancy one. It's got these little flaps, so you could open and close them, you know. So let's see what's over here. There's absolutely nothing there.
I took a zip.
So we found an area. This is where the A train goes. So if you go into JFK on the train, the bridge up there, that's the one you cross. So we're just walking around looking for, I don't know, birds, whatever. Yeah, in case you don't know, I don't know anything about bird watching. All I know is I got a 135mm lens, which is a little bit longer and a smaller sensor, and I'm just walking around the area where there are birds. That's really all I'm doing. I don't know the types of birds. I don't know anything about birds. I'm just trying to point my lens in the direction of a bird and hope I get something. Yeah, that's all I'm doing. Dennis had insisted on exploring one of those side trails, and turned out to be it's nothing but swamp. But he seemed to have found a nice stick that he's probably going to carry with him. I am getting out of here because that tree is going to be trouble.
Yeah.
There you go. See what I mean? You found a whole tree and carrying the whole tree now. This bird watching is so frustrating. The birds don't want to stay still. I don't know how people do this. I have no patience for this. So we didn't really see too many birds here. I think all the birds are on that side, you know. But you know, birds are always greener on the other side, right? Wait, no, that's grass. Never mind. But the birds are better on that side. Yeah, that's probably what it is. Next time we'll go there and we'll get some awesome birds. We definitely know there is an osprey there in its nest. So I don't know why we even went here. But that's next time.